Happy morning, students. Today in this video I am going to explain you a board model question, and the question is, students, compound A is used in fire extinguisher. Where it is used? It is used in fire extinguisher. Also it is used as an antacid, and its a small amount is used in bakery industry. The same compound, that is A, is used in fire extinguisher, it is used as an antacid, and it is also used in bakery items. Now student, these all are the uses of a single sodium compound, that is your sodium hydrogen carbonate. So let us go for the answer. The answer is, the compound A is NaHCO3, that is your sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now students, we also have to give the reason why this compound A is used in fire extinguisher, is used as an antacid, and also it is used in bakery industries. Students, in the case of the fire extinguisher, an acid reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is the acid we take? We take as sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid, when reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate, formation of salt takes place, water and also carbon dioxide gas is liberated. So we can say कि compound A is used in fire extinguisher because why? Because H2SO4 plus NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, they will react to form salt, that is sodium sulfate, plus water and carbon dioxide gas is liberated. This carbon dioxide gas is a non-supporter of burning. When it is put on fire, it is pressurized on fire, what happens? It forms a blanket over the fire, thereby cutting the passage of oxygen, and hence in the absence of oxygen, what happens? It extinguishes the fire. Now boys, students, we have to write over here twice NaHCO3. The compound so formed is Na2SO4 plus H2O plus CO2. Now students, we have to again give a reason for why it is used as an antacid. We know that in our stomach HCl is there. If the concentration of the HCl in the stomach increases, it gives us pain. We feel very much troubled. Burning sensation arises. Now what we have to do? We take some antacid, and in the antacid, sodium hydrogen carbonate is one of the main ingredient. Why? Because sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with the acid in the stomach to form salt, water and carbon dioxide gas is again liberated. So students, compound A is used as an antacid because in the stomach we have HCl. This HCl reacts with NaHCO3 to give salt, that is NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Now again salt is getting formed, water and carbon dioxide gas is being liberated. Means this sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as an antacid because it neutralizes the effect of HCl in our stomach and give us relief. So students, now I am in position to come on to the last reason, that is why it is used in bakery items. It is used in bakery items because whenever sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with tartaric acid in the baking powder that we add in the dough, this acid has the ability to give rise to H plus ions. Formation of again salt will take place. Formation of carbon dioxide will result. This carbon dioxide so formed rises in the dough and it gets liberated, thereby making small microscopic holes, and hence the cake or the pastry is spongy as well as it is soft. So let us come for the reason. Compound A is used in bakery items because NaHCO3 reacts with the acid. The acid I am adding is tartaric acid. For that I am giving H plus ion. It is going to form the salt. What salt? Sodium salt of acid plus carbon dioxide plus water. Sodium salt of acid, we are adding tartaric acid in the baking powder. There is tartaric acid as well as your baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is the ultimate salt formation? Sodium salt of acid, tartaric acid we are taking, so the salt will be sodium tartrate and carbon dioxide gas will be evolved. This carbon dioxide gas, when rises above the dough, formation of the small microscopic pores takes place in the bread or in the cake, thereby making it soft and spongy. Students, hope the topic is clear, the question is utmost clear to you, and the reasons over here is given in the form of the equations. Hope this question is going to help you a lot. Thank you.